and welcome to another video tutorial. Today I'm using Microsoft Excel, but for this class, for this tutorial, you could use Excel or Word or PowerPoint or many of the other Microsoft Excel products. As you can see, I have Microsoft Excel up on my screen. What I'm talking about is how to customize your screen. This is actually part 1, customizing the Quick Access Toolbar. Part 2 will be how to customize your ribbon. And so the Quick Access Toolbar is located in the upper left corner of your screen. This is the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar automatically comes with a few tools or icons. The first one being Save, second one is Undo, and the third is Redo. And of course, the Redo basically means it will undo your undos. So if you've undid too much, you can undo those undos by Redo, in case y'all didn't know what that was. I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can add more icons to this Quick Access Toolbar. The first method is by just clicking this down arrow at the very end. This down arrow is called Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Click the down arrow, and lo and behold, you have many choices right here to choose from to turn things on or off, to add or remove from the Quick Access Toolbar. The ones that are already on have check mark next to them. Notice Undo has a check mark, Redo has a check mark, and Save has a check mark. Those are the ones that are already on your Quick Access Toolbar. If you think, I'll never use Redo in my life, that's okay. You can go to Redo and you can clear it. Now to clear it, all you do is you can either click the check mark or click anywhere on that line. I'm going to just go ahead and click on the word Redo and it's gone. Look at the top. There is no Redo anymore. I'm going to add it back by clicking the Customize Quick Access Toolbar button, coming down and clicking on Redo. And as you can see, I added Redo back into my list. Let's add a couple more. Click on your arrow. One of them that I like a lot is this one called Email. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And what this does is it gives you a little envelope with a paper clip on it. Now, what this really does, this is so cool. So if you're in Microsoft Word and you're working on a letter and you're like, it's somehow not where I need it to be. My words are not right or whatever. You might want to send it to somebody for review. And to do that, real simple, that icon right there, you click on it, it will actually open up your email program. It will create a new letter. It will actually put in this file as the attachment. This is very cool. Even in Excel, if I'm working on an Excel document and I need to let somebody else see it, I could email this Microsoft Excel file to somebody else with one click. It is so cool. Try it out on your own. See what you think about it. Another one, let me hit the button, the down arrow, and I'm going to do Quick Print. Quick Print is very nice. Anytime you ever want to print anything, one click prints. It is awesome. So this is the first method. To add or remove things to your Quick Access Toolbar is just to hit the down arrow and find what you want and click on it. Very, very simple. Now, second, you'll notice that in our ribbon, we have all of these tabs in our ribbon. Anything in these tabs can actually be put on that Quick Access Toolbar. Let me show you how to do it. For example, one of the buttons that I use a lot, I'm going to go to View, and there's this button called 100%. And I do use this one a lot. So put your mouse on 100%, and right click. And the very first thing you'll see is Add to the Quick Access Toolbar. So just click on that, and lo and behold, you'll notice that the 100% is now part of your toolbar. Let's do a couple more. Let me go to Page Layout. In Page Layout, here is your print area. For printing, if you don't know what this is a really cool. I'll actually do this one in another video tutorial, but this is a very cool icon in Excel for printing. Now, I'm going to click on the Word print area, and I notice right here says Set Print Area. That's what I want. I want that icon to be in my list. So I right-click on it, choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar. Lo and behold, look at the top. You now have something that says Set Print Area. This is so easy. So basically just choose a tab, find an icon, and when you find the one you like, right-click. Spell check is another one. Now again, you can get spell check probably from this down arrow, and there is spelling right here. Or you can get spelling off of your Review tab, and go to the very first icon, right-click, and add it. Either way, you can get spelling. So some of these will overlap. Now, the third method. Okay, so the first method was I can go to this down arrow and pick and choose from this list. The second method was I can go to any tab, any icon, right-click, and add it to the Quick Access Toolbar. The third method is I can hit the down arrow and choose from the bottom here more commands. I can do more commands. Now there are many ways to get into this screen. This is the easiest way. Since we're talking about the Quick Access Toolbar, just hit the down arrow, more commands, and you are at the Quick Access Toolbar commands. At the top, you'll notice we're looking at the popular commands. Well, I want to look at something that's not popular. I want to click Popular Commands, and I'm going to click All Commands. Now, there are a few ways to find a command in this huge list. Method 1 would be to click on this box right here, click and hold, and start to drag it down to look through your icons. But if you know what you want to add, then you could easily get to it. So I would like to add something called Form. It is a Form is something that I used often in the Excel 2003 or earlier programs, but since 2007 they've taken it out. Well, they have taken it out of the Quick Access Toolbar, and they have taken it out of the ribbon, but it's here in this list, so I can re-add it. Now, the way I'm going to get to it is I'm not going to scroll down looking for Form. Instead, I'm going to click on anything in this list, and on the keyboard, hit the letter F. That will actually take me to the first item that begins with F. And I'm just going to scroll down from there with my mouse wheel. I'm not holding anything. I'm just going to the mouse wheel and just rolling that down toward me. And I'm looking for Form. Here it is. Form ... Really cool. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to click Add right here. Lo and behold, I now have Form. Something that was removed years ago is now here. Let's try to find something that we've never seen before. So this time I will scroll through and just kind of like look through the list. Here's one actually that says Evaluate Formula. This button actually is on the ribbon. Okay, so some of the things that are on the ribbon are also in here. Some of the things that are in the Quick Access Toolbar are already in here, because this is what? This is the list of all commands, you see. So this is everything. But evaluate formula. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to hit Add. And it appears to the right side. I want to point out that on the right side, this is the list. But you can now take this list and put it in any order you want. To do that, you will single click on an item. I'm going to click on the 100%. And to the right, there are two arrows. The up arrow will, of course, move this up in the list. And the down arrow will move it down in the list. I'm going to put this right after save. And I'm going to put spelling right before that. Click on spelling and use your arrows. And then maybe email right after spelling and the 100%. In other words, just click these icons and just put them in the order you want using the up and down arrow. Then finally, at the end, click on this OK button at the bottom. And lo and behold, your Quick Access Toolbar has been modified. Isn't that easy? The Quick Access Toolbar is so cool. I really like it a lot. Now, I want to point out that the Quick Access Toolbar is way up here. But I'm working down here. This is like my Excel spreadsheet. And I got to move my mouse way up here. Wouldn't it be cool if the Quick Access Toolbar was closer to our document? Well, it can be. All you do is go up to the down arrow of the Quick Access Toolbar. Click on it. All the way down at the bottom, show below the ribbon. Show below the ribbon. Click on that. And here it is. So this is your ribbon, and now it's right below the ribbon. So it's a lot closer to the Excel spreadsheet. Now, let's turn everything back to the way it was. Let's reset everything. First, I will be putting my Quick Access Toolbar above the ribbon. So just the same way we did earlier, we go to the Quick Access Toolbar. We click on the arrow. With the very bottom, we say show above ribbon. So that's going to put this right back at the very top. And to reset the ribbon back to normal, you can just hit the down arrow. Come all the way down to the bottom again to more commands. More commands. And in the lower right corner, you'll see the word reset. Click the word reset. Click on reset. And the first one is reset the Quick Access Toolbar. So you can reset only the Quick Access Toolbar. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Are you sure that you want to restore the Quick Access Toolbar shared between documents to its default content? And I'm going to choose yes. And again, I'm going to click OK at the bottom. The Quick Access Toolbar is shared between other documents, which means this is not for the document I am in. Because at this moment, of course, I don't even have a document open. I have a blank document. But even if I did have a document, I am not setting the Quick Access Toolbar for that document. This is a global setting per se. No document will be affected. It affects Microsoft Excel. No matter what document I have open, no matter what document I create from that point on, whatever my Quick Access Toolbar looks like is the way it will be until I change it. Now, last thing about the Quick Access Toolbar is review. We have to have a review. Who remembers how many methods there are to adding icons to the Quick Access Toolbar? Let me just wait a few seconds, and the answer is 3. Okay, now we know there's 3. What was the easiest method? or the first method? Well, that's hitting the down arrow and picking and choosing what icons you want to view. Second method was from the ribbon. Correct. I can go to any tab on my ribbon. I can right-click any button and add to Quick Access Toolbar. That's the second method. And the third method, hitting the down arrow, choosing more commands, and choosing either from this list or going to the all commands to choose icons from that list. And of course, I can reset the Quick Access Toolbar using this icon, resetting the Quick Access Toolbar by itself, or resetting the Quick Access Toolbar and the ribbon through this button. And finally, I can move the Quick Access Toolbar, keep it up here at the top, or I can move the Quick Access Toolbar, hitting the down arrow and choosing Show Below the Ribbon, so it is a below the ribbon, or hitting the down arrow and choosing Show Above the Ribbon, and it's back at the top. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, comment below. Thumbs up if you like the video. That really helps to me when I see a thumbs up and I see, wow, I liked this video. So if you really liked it and it helped you, definitely do a thumbs up. And again, subscribe. I have a lot of videos coming. And thank you again for watching another video.